Hi everyone, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be unboxing a surprise package that the washi tape shop sent to me. They're so nice to send me free product and I can't wait to see what's inside. I have not looked at it yet, so if you'd like to look at it with me, keep watching. All right, so I always like getting surprise packages in the mail, and of course the washi tape shop, a fave, right? I will put affiliate links for all this stuff in the description box, and if you place an order with them, you can use the code BUMBLE10 to get 10% off your order. So let's check out what is inside. They're wrapped little presents for me. I love it when they do that because they don't really know what it is, but we're gonna see what they are. So we're gonna go one at a time and check it out. This looks like something I am gonna love. I can tell already. It looks like a pattern. Oh, look at this. So these have silver foil accents. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Look at these stars. Look at that. That's the first one. It looks like they're all like stars and planets. I will show you one at a time because I can tell they are so cute. Look at that. Those little hand-drawn stars, super cute, right? And they're in really pretty pastel colors, which is perfect for most of my spreads. There's little constellations on this one. And then we have just some stars and polka dots and stuff. Oh, look at this pattern. Wait. Do you see how it goes like up and down? Just beautiful. I'm really excited about these tapes. Ooh, so this one is planet or the moon, phases of the moon, it looks like. Really cute. Look at this one. It's like shooting stars. I hope I'm holding these up high enough. And this one, I just love this color. It's like a citrine or something like that. Really cute. Look at that one. I don't know if you can really see the patterns or not. I think that you can. And that's the last one. So these are obviously a set, and look how pretty these colors are together. Whoops, that one got away. Come back. Wait. Okay, well, anyway, I just wanted to show you the colors together because they are gorgeous. Look at that. And I love pastel spreads, so these are going to be a favorite of mine. I can definitely tell. Okay, I'll be using those in spreads in the future. Here we have some skinny washi. I like skinny washi. I like it all, you guys. I am not picky when it comes to washi tape. I love it all. And I don't know how I'm going to store all this because I'm running out of room now. This is actually a good thickness, so it's not like the super skinny, but it's actually not really the medium either. It's kind of like in between. I like that a lot. So I'll get another washi tape for reference. I'll just show you what I mean. So this is a Happy Planner skinny washi tape, right? And this one is the one from the washi tape shop. Sorry, my voice is cracking. But you can see it's like slightly bigger, but it's not as big as like the medium ones from the Happy Planner. So it's an interesting size. I like it though. Let's check all of these out. I'm obviously not going to open all of these and show you on paper because it would take all day. If I have anything super patterned, I will, but so I'm going to show you a few of these at a time. Look at those. Look, this one has strawberries and that one has cherries. We've got some gold foil on these. Really pretty. I'll show you some more. So I'm assuming these come in a set. I'm always torn when I make these videos because I don't know like if I should look up the links ahead of time so I can see what to call these, or if I should like totally do a blind unboxing and be surprised. So let me know in the comments. Oh, I love that gingham one. Let me know in the comments, like, do you want me to be completely surprised, or do you want me to like look these up ahead of time and let you know exactly what they are? Again, I will link them in the description box, because after these videos I do go and I find them on the website and I link it. So let me know what you think. Look at this one, has little music notes. So super cute. And this one matches that other one. Look, that's like shooting stars or something. I mean just stars hanging down. Really pretty. So this is a really cute set. And again, in some nice pastels. I love that. Let's see what else is in here. It's like Christmas every time they send me a package. I get really excited. Okay. Ooh, so these ones are more decorative. Ooh, look at these. These are beautiful. These ones I'm probably going to show you on paper, because it's not like a repeating pattern. I mean, it is, but it's a bigger pattern. So let me get a piece of paper to put this on just so I can show it to you, because they look like they're really pretty. And these are also like pastels, it looks like. Ooh. All right, so that is so pretty. It's like a scene from Japan or something like that. And we're gonna do this one. This one looks like we've got some birds flying and some, like, just another scene. Looks like it's kind of in a marsh or something. We've got these things poking out. I think this is like water. And then let's see. The colors are so pretty, aren't they? I love this. The mountains. Ooh, that one's really pretty. That one's my favorite so far. The mountains and the flowers. And then we have another one with some mountains here. And looks like it's mountains and water, because there's a little boat there. Really pretty. And I love the colors, because like I love light blue spreads, so that's going to be good. And then we have this one. And this one has... it looks like some flowers, like little fences, birds, a whole bunch of different stuff. It's like a little scene too. So pretty. Look at. So this is what they look like up closer. Really, really cute. Okay. I think there's one more thing in the box. Let's see what it is. It's a bigger thing. A mystery box. Woo! Let's go. Let's open up this mystery box. Who knows what could it be? Lorelei. Let's see what it is. Oh, this is a nice box. Really nice. I'm going to peek first. Ooh. It's not washi tape. Tell me what you think it is. Look, it's a pen. It is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at this beautiful pen. Now, how does it work? Do you guys get confused with pens sometimes? Like, how are they working? Oh, you guys, it's a fountain pen. I can't wait to try this. I used to do calligraphy back in the day. Let me just show you how beautiful this is. I used to do calligraphy back in the day for money, and back then our only choice for calligraphy really was a fountain pen. So I did used to use a fountain pen for calligraphy. So this will be interesting. I know this is not a calligraphy tip. It's just a regular fountain pen, but I think it's so pretty. So beautiful. So again, I'm going to link all of this stuff in the description box down underneath the video. Don't forget to use code BUMBLE10 for 10% off your order. And look at all of these. Oh boy. So pretty. Wait, let me get the other ones. Woo, lots of pastels here. Really nice for summertime. So let me know in the comments down below which ones were your favorites, and I will see you in my next video. Whoa, they're escaping again. Take care. Bye.